Coffee Talks is an immersive storytelling exhibition that delves into the unspoken connections and the heartfelt conversations that unfold in cafes. Beyond the ritual of sipping coffee, this exhibition captures the emotional depth of human connection, memory, and presence that fills the space between every sip. Sure that most of your members are familiar with
Coffee Talks. When you talk on coffee, you talk on first and Barako, di ba?
Thank you so much, Nelly. Thank you so much po sa ating lahat. And thank you so much po sa Badburst Coffee Santa Rita. Sa pangunguna po ni Engineer Lenny and Sir John Roman, Sir John. Hindi mo magiging successful ang event namin ito dahil sa inyong may contribution sa akin. Maraming salamat din po sa mga artists na walang sawang itiwala sa akin pag ginagawa ko isang project para sa mga kabataang artists dahil gusto ko din sila tulungan na magsimula at makilala.
I'm King Villena. I'm inviting you all to Coffee Talks Group Exhibition here at Badburst Coffee Santa Rita, Batangas. Kita kits!